Welcome, welcome, welcome. You're receiving this video because you have registered for an upcoming masterclass where we're going to be talking about turn your story into a bestseller. The benefits of becoming a bestseller. I'm Dr. Fred Jones. I want you to see the big idea around this concept of bestseller. Follow me on the screen. A best-selling book is more than just a book. It's your legacy, it's your leverage, it's your launch pad to impact your lives and build $1 million brand. I took a 99-cent ebook and matched my salary 2 years in a row after it became a bestseller. And then I went on to turn it into a six-figure course and then $1 million business. So I've helped a lot of other people write and publish books. And that's what this series is all about, helping you to write and publish and to become a best-selling author and build a brand and grow a business. So I just want to give you some information here that's going to help you get ready to turn your story into $1 million brand. What is a book? Let's get started. What is a book and why it's more than just pages or ink, okay? And I want you to go through each one of these videos. I want you to go back over it, okay? I want you to slow it down, read it real good, and make sure you understand it. Most people think a book is just words on a page, but that's wrong. No, a book is your intellectual property. It's your business asset. It's a global microphone for your message. Your book is the first way to protect your intellectual property. You want me to say it again? Your book is the first way to protect your IP. That's your copyright. That's the registering of your copyright. That's the foundation for your trademark. That's your IP, okay? Let's get into the core content here. A book is a door opener. It gives you access to the media, speaking engagements, high-ticket clients, coaching, group programs. There's just a number of things you can do with a book. Number one, it opens the door. Number two, it's a credibility multiplier. It positions you as the expert, as the authority, as the go-to person. Can you imagine? Best-selling author. I've helped a lot of people do that, and they're out crushing it right now because they became a bestseller. A book is your leverage. You can turn it into courses, coaching programs, consulting, offering so many things. It's so important for you to get that first book done the right way. A book is a digital asset. Unlike social media posts, a book builds long-term wealth and impact. So if that's what you want, you can write your book, publish your book, make it a bestseller at the very beginning, and then roll out all these different components, okay? A book is your legacy. It ensures your story, expertise, and wisdom lives beyond you. Okay? So what I want you to do is, if you want to turn your book into a best-selling asset, stay tuned to part 2 of Why Write and Publish a Book. Video number 2, Why Write a Book? Number 1, wealth and influencer tool. There it is right there, okay? It's your tool. It's a big old tool. Now, as you're preparing to get ready for the training and you're watching this video, I want you to let this sink in. The wealthiest people and most respected people in the world have one thing in common. They write books. Got it? That's huge, huge. Let that soak in. All right. Writing a book makes you the go-to expert. Clients, media, and event organizers, they respect authority. Look at that word. They respect authority. Authority, the root word to author. A book brings you opportunities you never imagined. Speaking engagements, interviews, high-value networking. A book really, really brings some opportunities. A book turns your pain into power. Hey, listen to this. Your deepest pain point is your highest paying point. So when you share your pain, you make your pain pay you back. Pay you back by way of connection. Pay you back by way of clients. Pay you back by way of community. It enables you to connect with people on a high level when you share their pain, okay? I was talking to someone today about being a part of a small group, and I shared why I wanted to be a part of the small group. I was telling about grief and suffering loss, okay, of family members, multiple family members in a house fire. And then that person shared with me that they lost 2 of their sons back to back within 2 months of each other. lost two children. I mean, pain helps you connect with people. If you've been through something, your story can change lives. Number four, a book pays you in multiple ways: royalties, speaking engagements, high ticket fees, consulting. This is why you should write and publish a book. A book is an entry point to $1 million movement. Your message will outlive you and impact generations to come. So if you're wondering how to share your story and create real wealth, part three is a must watch. Your story is $1 million message. It's time to get your book written and published. I'll see you in the upcoming training so that we can go into more details on how you can write your book, build a brand, and start a business. Video number three, your story is $1 million message and movement. Okay, thank you for checking your emails and being up on these videos, because I want you to be ready so when you come into the class, you'll be ready to move forward and get started to make your book a best-selling author. You're sitting on a gold mine. The problem is you don't realize it. One more time for the mic. You're sitting on a gold mine. The problem is you don't realize it. Your story isn't just a story, it's a movement, and it's worth millions when positioned correctly. That's the key right there. Positioned correctly. Your story is a business. People pay for knowledge, wisdom, and transformation. You just need the right offer. Your story is someone else's survival guide. The pain you overcame is the blueprint for someone else's needs. Your story is a movement. Got it? Got it? Got it? When your book inspires others, it creates a ripple effect. Boom, 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 like dominoes to cause impact. Coach Rosie Thames, she wrote a book and she told her story, and she has been moving forward and helping a whole bunch of people. And she generated $30,000 in less than 30 days with her book. 90 days. It was 90 days with her book when she inspired other people. You see that right there? If she can do it, you can do it. Your story deserves to be monetized. The world's biggest influencers, Oprah, Tony, Les, all have built empires by telling their story. Your book can fund your dream life. Your story can lead to speaking engagement and coaching, masterminds, and even more. So if you're ready to turn your story into a best-selling book and business, then I want you to join me in the upcoming self-publishing mastermind, where we'll be talking about how to turn your story into a bestseller. I look forward to seeing you in the training.